So following on from what we just discussed, we've got an area here to work out that is partly above and partly below. And looking at this, we can see these intercepts are at -4, 1 and 3. So it'd be useful to expand these brackets out as well, because it's not easy for us to integrate when it's like that. So got x plus 4, and then I'll have x squared minus 4x plus 3. So that would give me x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 4x squared minus 16x plus 12, which is x cubed minus 13x plus 12. So we've got to integrate x cubed minus 13x plus 12. And initially I'm going to do it from -4 to 1. So that gives me x to the 4 over 4. Take away 13x squared over 2 plus 12x from -4 to 1. So substituting the 1 in there, we're going to get a quarter. Take away 13 over 2, add 12. And then with the -4, we're going to get 64. And if we square that, it's 16. So that's 13 times 16 over 2. And then take away 48. And I'm definitely going to use a calculator to sort that out. So in the first bracket, I have 1/4, take away 13 over 2, add 12, and then in the second bracket, I have 64, take away 13 times 16 divided by 2, take away 48. And that gives me 375 over 4 square units. So that's the area of this bit, and that little bit there. And then we want the integral from 1 to 3 of the same thing. We've already done the integral once, so that's easy enough. X to the 4 over 4, take 13x squared over 2, add 12x, at this time from 1 to 3. So if we put 3 in there, we've got 81 over 4. Take away 13 times 9 over 2, add 36. And when we put 1 in there, we had a quarter, take away 13 over 2, add 12. Okay, so once again, that's on the calculator. So we have 81 over 4, take away, oops, a fraction button, so 13 times 9 divided by 2, add 36, and then take away a quarter, take 13 over 2, add 12. That gives me -8. Now, obviously, we're not wanting that to be negative. It's actually an area. So what we need to do to get the total area is just ignore that negative sign and add this area to this area. So I'm going to have 8 add 375, 375 over 4, which is 407 over 4 square units.